Hi guys, and guess what happened today? Roblox is shutting down for Masons. I don't know if I spelled that right. Well, whatever. We're making things more awesome. Be back soon. Well, this is really annoying. Then, how am I supposed to do videos if I can't play it? I know I can make videos on something else, but this has the imagination of something. It's just important to me, you know? Anyway, Lydia didn't even get on to see this thing up on her screen because she's a lazy. But I don't know if that makes sense. Yeah, when they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. Anyways, I'm sorry if you hear something in the background. It's my freaking television or TV. Anyway, guys, comment down below if you are really mad, because I am extremely mad. Yeah, okay, so yeah, I just wanted to show you this because it's really annoying, and you know, it's really annoying. That's all I need to say. I will probably do this later if it gets back on. I love you, and bye bye.